Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for the rolling 5 pan that I'm doing with my girl Amanda. Just a basic rolling 5 pan, but we are doing it together, doing our updates on the same day and kind of cheering each other on. I will have her link down in my description box, so definitely go check her out and show her some love. I have an empty this month. I'm happy about that because my empties have been few and far between in this project. Let me see, this makes my 5th empty since we started this on February 21st. And we're just kind of doing this indefinitely. We do not have an end date because we want to keep it going. One of those projects that it could go on forever. Anyway, let me show you what empty I have. This is the Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm. I got this in a Sephora Play a couple months ago, I think, and that's basically just an illuminating moisture balm. I use this in place of a primer, kind of like as a moisturizer and primer together, because I figure with the illuminator, you don't want to put a primer over it. It will kind of negate that. It was just a little too heavy for my skin. It wasn't bad, smelled fine. I didn't feel like it absorbed in my skin the way I like a moisturizer to absorb, and it just kind of felt a little bit heavy. I do have absorption issues with a lot of products, so that doesn't really surprise me. I think if you have dry skin, it probably would be a very nice product. All right, so that is my empty for this month. Let me show you what I am still working on. The first thing that I have is this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. I really only used this a few times because I was working on something else as well, one of them being a powder, so that really doesn't have any visual progress on it. I do have a little visual progress on my Benefit Watts Up. This is just a really lovely highlighter. Hopefully you can see my lines there. I was at the purple line here, now I am at the red. This is one that's just going to take a very long time. It's something that I use pretty much every day, but a little goes a very long way, so it's going to last a while. All right, another thing that's taken me a lot longer than I originally had planned. This is the Hair Omega Argan Oil Conditioner. I really enjoy this, but I've been putting shampoo and conditioner duos in other projects, and it's kind of been hindering this one a little bit. I mean, I do have some progress on it, but not anything major. Thankfully, right now, I don't have anything as far as a shampoo and conditioner in a project, so hopefully this will get a little bit more progress on it. All right, and the last product that is continuing on is this blush from the Sephora Colorista palette. It is just a peachy blush with some gold glitter shimmers in it. I am making some very nice progress on this one. I have pan after I repressed, and it's getting very thin around where I have pan. So I don't know if I can finish this by the next update, but I definitely will. I will have some serious pan by next time. So I look forward to that. It is actually what I am wearing today. Okay, I had one product finished. I'm rolling that out, obviously, and I'm rolling in a new product. One, unfortunately, that I won't be able to show you progress on. I used this morning, so I've only used it one time. This is the Marc Jacobs, I think it's the Velvet Noir. Yes, Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. And it's, you know, it's just a nice black. It is what I have on my eyelashes today, and I surprisingly liked it. I'm very picky about mascaras. The wand is a little odd to me, but let me show you that. But I did actually really like it, so hopefully it lasts for a little bit. And I guess it's just going to run out when it runs out because you can't see progress on that. Again, Amanda is doing this with me. She's going to be linked down below in my description box. Go check her out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.